In this video, I will show you how to export a course roster to an Excel spreadsheet. After you have logged into Workday with your regular username and password, you will scroll down to your apps and you'll click on Teaching. Now, if you don't see the Teaching app, just click on View All Apps and they'll all come up. I'm going to go ahead and click on Teaching. I'm going to choose course selection for the roster, and I'm going to choose my assigned sections. Now, I teach traditional undergraduates, so that's green. You may see something different here, but pick the semester you would like to choose and then select that course and click OK. At that point, you will see your course roster, and you should be able to use one of these export to Excel. There we go. So it's that quick, and I download it, and I'm done.